Okay, this is for anybody who's having any trouble with the RadioLab display working. Not sure what's happening with Firefox, we'll leave it alone. Okay, every time I've had this, it has always been to do with this file. That somebody, the library has been overwritten and it's put in the original one, but it needs to be this. And then there was a problem with this. Was on a pin that was used, only showed up on one system from what I remember, but you either define it to be 50 or get rid of it, and then it should be fine. So if I open Arduino here, so this is the SuperheterodyneRadio. Radio. It does. I'm not going to run it here, but it basically generates a SuperheterodyneRadio.ino.bin in the temp folder of in Linux. I think it's slightly different in Windows. So this works, and here's the instruction. So we install esptool. It is already there somewhere, but this is probably the easiest way of doing it. We don't need Python 3 there. So we'll open in the terminal. Your COM port that it's using, for me, I'm on Linux, so it's where is it? Oh, I have it disconnected. Sorry, I'm just going to reconnect it here. So let's do that again. So we're on TTY USB 0. So first thing, install esptool. It's going to tell me I already have it because I've installed it already. And then again, you may have to change your port here depending on what operating system you're using, and then the path to this Superheterodyne.bin. So if I take this, and then this is just a way of doing it outside of the Arduino system, which means you're not dependent on any of the current libraries that you have. You're basically taking one that we know works in the system. So once that hard resets and the display comes up, then we basically know that there's a problem with something in the software, and it's invariably to do with this file here. Okay, that's it for now.